So, tonight I'm going to present to you the old legend from Australia, in which three girls, Mehni, Wilma, and Gunedo, from the tribe Katumba, fell in love with three guys from the nearby tribe, Nepan.
Girls, it was an amazing day.
Yes, but I'm so tired. Look, a hotel. Let's check for a room.
Oh my god, this place is so beautiful.
Yes, it's so beautiful, but look at this guy.
It's Daddy! He knows about our lovers.
But the marriages were not allowed between the two tribes, so the guys decided to kidnap the girls. Seeing this, the people from Katumba decided to start a war with their rival tribe. A wizard from their village turned the girls into stone statues in order to keep them safe. I'm gonna turn you into stone in order to protect you. But the wizard was killed during the war, and the girls remained statues of stone. It is said that the girls are still waiting for someone to disband their spell.